This is an SD card holder. It's near enough 50mm diameter, that's the size I'm saying. It has a screw top. I do have some cards in here. So I'll take 3 of the bigger ones, standard size. These don't have any cards in, but that's pretty well the same as a standard size. That's like an attachment for a micro SD. I'll take these smaller SD cards, a little bit tight, so it needs filing down a little bit. You can move them about, and as I say, it's a screw on, a little bit fiddly to get it on, but it screws on very well. Then I can tighten it up, and that's very tight. It's not going to, you know, like its parts aren't going to fall out. So screw thread, you might see that there on the inside. This has been printed in glow in the dark filament, just because of what I had on the printer at the time. Few file marks. Was a little bit rough, not too bad. A bit of slight filing to clean up the slots. So just a small, like micro SD. This is a 2 gig one. Obviously, if you have a, you know, one of these in, this is what this is for. What these are for is for like a. I do have the other size as well, and then that can slide into the slot. Put your top on. I'll say a little bit fiddly the top, but not too bad once it gets going. Tighten it up a bit, and there you are. Knock it about, shake it about. There's a card, so that's very good. A little bit dirt in that end one, I'll have to clean that out. I'll just show you the size. And so I've asked for 50mm diameter, so I think that's a little bit less than 50mm actually. Or it might be 50mm. The height, or when it's closed, let's try and get this in. I hope this is in focus. I would say 30mm there, call that 30mm deep. So there you are, an SD card like holder.